Hi everyone! In this video I'm gonna show you how to create beautiful, clear charts using ChatGPT and the regular Excel file. No coding skills needed, just upload your file and ask ChatGPT what you want. Let's get started. First, open your file in Excel. Here I have a simple table showing monthly sales data, one column for the month and one for sales in dollars. Once you are done, you can upload this file in ChatGPT, but first make sure you are using GPT with file upload enabled. Click on the paperclip icon and upload your Excel file. That's it. Now, when the file is uploaded, we can type a simple prompt like create a line chart of sales by month using the uploaded file. Remember, the more specific you are typing the prompt, the better. ChatGPT will automatically read your data, analyze it, and generate a chart, usually using Python and Matplotlib. You can also ask to show a bar chart, pie chart, or whatever fits you need. Usually it takes some time, and here we have a result, a line chart showing monthly sales. Easy, fast and understandable. Want more control? Ask ChatGPT to change the chart color or style, add a title or labels, show trends, calculate averages, and many more. As you can see, creating visualization in ChatGPT is fast and flexible and perfect for reports, presentations, or data analysis. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and comment below what you'd like to automate with artificial intelligence next. See you in the next video. Bye.